Hello everybody, I'm doing a review or an update video on my Lego out of the front pocket knife. I added a release button to it, let me switch in, and it's just simple. It goes around the outside, it's rubber band powered, and it just depresses, it moves that little black piece out, releasing the blade, and it just does it like that. And it's really cool, really simple. It's based on the same pieces in my butterfly knife video, or in my butterfly knife, sorry. And yeah, so more depth on this button here. Let's see. There's a little black axle right there. You probably can't see it, but when you push the button down, it just moves that little piece down and releases it. Let me see if I can prime this real quick. It's really hard. Yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. So I have to do this while recording. I almost broke my finger. Fudge. Yeah, no, that's not going in there. Creative difficulty. Just dropped my iPod. Fun. But it didn't break. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Sorry, can't show it to you close again. But yeah, that's painful. It actually hurts. Physically hurts to prime this thing one-handed. Yeah. Try again. Oh, come on. Yeah, nope, that's not gonna happen. Nope, sorry. Well, that's all I really have to say about this. By the way, this is all my Lego stuff. And some Nerf, but it's a lot of Lego. Yeah. So, goodbye.